Ever wondered how you could maximize the utility of your van? Or perhaps you've been struggling with clutter and disorganization? Well, you're certainly not alone. The importance of vehicle storage cannot be overstated, especially in trade professions where organization and easy access to tools and equipment are vital. Imagine transforming your van into a mobile workstation, with everything in its place and a place for everything. Intrigued? Let's delve into one such solution, the Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit. With the right storage unit, your van can be transformed into a mobile workstation. The Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit, a compact, multifaceted storage solution. But how does it fare in real-world conditions? With its impressively versatile storage capabilities, this unit offers a variety of solutions. Imagine a Swiss Army knife of storage, organizer tubs, quick access tote bins, even a lockable drawer unit. It's like a compact city of storage right in the back of your van. Installation? It's a breeze. Crafted from sheet metal, you can set this unit up in a variety of ways. The manufacturer has thoughtfully provided threaded bolt holes at the base, and you can even create your own bolt holes with nutserts. Flexible? Absolutely. Now let's talk materials. The plastic of the containers may not be the strongest in the market, but it should last a good couple of years under heavy use. And here's the best part. They're replaceable. The bottom drawer is fashioned from thin sheet metal, and while the sliding rails may not be the sturdiest, they should hold up for a few years. But let's be honest here, the Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit isn't the most durable option out there. The external housing might just about cut it for trade use, and the lockable drawers locking system could be more secure. So we see that while the Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit offers a lot of storage at a reasonable price, it might not be the most durable option out there. Let's recap what we've discovered about the Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit. This versatile piece offers multiple storage capabilities, including organizer tubs, quick access tote bins, and even a lockable drawer unit. Installation is a breeze thanks to its sheet metal design and pre-installed threaded bolt holes. However, it's important to keep in mind that the plastic containers may need replacement after a year or two of heavy-duty use. The bottom drawer is a bit of a concern with its thin sheet metal construction and not so sturdy sliding rails. But at a price tag of $460, the unit does provide ample storage. While this unit may not be the strongest on the market, it's a practical short-term solution, especially in a workshop or garage setting. Remember, the right storage solution can transform your van into an efficient mobile workstation. Choose wisely, and as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the Tactix Utility Van Storage Unit.